If you want your WordPress site to truly stand out, one of the best ways is by adding stunning background images using the Elementor plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create eye-catching hero sections, design layered effects, and even set site-wide background images, all without needing to touch a single line of code. Let's jump right in and start customizing the look and feel of your website. First, let's talk about adding a background image to a section or container, which is easily the most popular method for creating those large, attention-grabbing hero areas at the top of your pages. Start by hovering over the section you want to edit. You'll notice a little set of 6 dots at the very top. Go ahead and click that handle. Now, over on the left, you'll see the Elementor panel. Find and click the Style tab, then look for the background settings. At this point, you'll see a few options for background type. Click the one that looks like a little paintbrush labeled Classic. From here, tap the + button next to the image field. This opens your media library where you can either pick an existing image or upload something new. Choose an image that fits the theme or message of your page, a vibrant product shot, a scenic cityscape, or anything you like. Now, before you hit save, let's adjust some key display settings so your image looks just right. Set the size to cover. This tells Elementor to stretch your image so it fills the entire width of your section without weird tiling or gaps, great for a seamless look. For the position, center is almost always a safe bet. It keeps the main subject of your photo, like a person's face or a product, right where you want it, no matter the screen size. If you want to add a little bit of movement, try changing the attachment setting to fixed. This will create a really smooth parallax effect where the background seems to stay put as the rest of the site scrolls by. Don't worry if your image looks stretched or cropped at first. These settings are designed to make sure your background adapts gracefully to all devices. Let's say you want to get more creative and apply a background to a smaller part of your layout, like a single column or even just a widget. For columns, it's pretty similar. Click the columns icon. You'll find this at the very top left of the column and go straight to Style, then Background. If you're working with a widget such as a heading or a text block, select the widget, then navigate over to the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you find Background. This lets you apply images or colors behind just that one element, which is perfect for drawing attention to something special or creating unique layered layouts. But what if you notice your text isn't standing out against your new background? This happens a lot with lighter images. No worries, Elementor makes it easy to improve readability with a background overlay. In your Section Style tab, you'll see a background overlay option. Choose a simple color like black or a dark gray, and then gently adjust the opacity using the slider. This technique adds a subtle filter that helps your text pop without covering up your image entirely. It's like putting sunglasses over a bright scene, making everything easier to see. Finally, if you want your background image to appear behind every page on your entire website, you can do that in just a few clicks. Open the main editor menu by clicking the hamburger icon in the top left. Choose Site Settings, then look for the background setting. Here you can upload an image for the body section and it'll automatically appear across your whole site. It's a great way to keep your branding consistent and give your site a professional, unified look. And that's it. By now you're ready to add background images in Elementor like a pro, whether it's for bold hero sections, unique widget backgrounds, or your whole site. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, let me know your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.